In this video, we are going to see how to connect your Tradier broker account to Option Panel so you can trade directly from our platform. To access your accounts, click on the user icon in the top right corner and select Trading Accounts from the drop-down menu. Once there, you will see the Tradier card, which allows you to link your Tradier account to Option Panel. Before walking through the process, there is one important thing to clarify. You can connect both a real Tradier account and a paper trading account. The process is the same in both cases. The difference we will cover a little further on. When you click Connect to Tradier, the connection form will open. The first thing to do is give the account an identifying name and, optionally, a short description to help you recognize it easily. Next, you will find the Price Mode field. Here you can choose between two modes. With Market Price, the prices shown in your orders will be the current market prices, that is, the bid for selling and the ask for buying, which gives you a higher chance of immediate execution. With Mid-Price, the price is set at the midpoint between the bid and the ask, which can be more favorable, though execution is not as guaranteed. Mid-Price is selected by default. Then there is the Account Type field, where you indicate whether you want to connect a real Tradier account or a paper trading account. Finally, you have the Tradier Account ID and Tradier Access Token fields. These are the credentials you will need to retrieve directly from your Tradier account dashboard. Let's take a look at how to find them. We log into our Tradier account through their website using our credentials. Once inside, in the top right corner, we will immediately see our account ID, which was one of the two pieces of data we needed. To get the second one, we click on the upper area of the user menu, which expands the account options. From there, we navigate to the API section, where we will find our connection credentials. Here, we copy the API key, which is the value we need to enter in the Tradier Access Token field in Option Panel. Now, if instead of a real account you want to connect your Tradier paper trading account, you should use the account number and API key found in the Sandbox API access block, which you will find a little further down in that same section. Once all the fields are filled in, click Save Changes, and your Tradier account will be linked and ready to trade from Option Panel.